So g'day people, and in today's video we're going to be teaching you how to say the alphabet in Australian. So your first letter is A. A stands for arsehole. You know, that person you just don't like because they're an arsehole. Then we have B. B stands for bastard. You know, someone whose parents were not married and they like to rip people off because they're a bastard. The next one, if I can turn it over, is God. Dang, you fucking bastard. Is C. And C stands for cunt. You know, g'day cunt. How you going? Next letter is D. D stands for dickhead. You know, that guy over there is so arrogant. He's a dickhead. E for egghead. You know, egghead is someone who's pretty stupid. F for fuckwit. So you come across fuckwits all the time. You get on a tram. There's just someone being a total fuckwit on the tram. G for goonbag. So goonbag is a bag of alcohol. So when you want to get wasted, get $5, well probably $10 with all the inflation going on now. Go and get a goon bag and get wasted. So G for goonbag. H for heroin, because you can never really get enough of the good stuff. I for ice, because if you want your brain to be unstable, take some ice. J for jerk, you know, because like dickheads and fuckwits, the world is full of jerks. K for KKK. Even though they are a white supremacist organisation, the KKK or similar organisations exist in a lot of places around the world. L for lout. Now, lout is someone who's loud and troublesome and pretty much like a dickhead or a fuckwit. M for masturbation, because basically everyone does it. Don't lie, you do it. You done it last week, and you're gonna do it tomorrow. M for necrophilia, because if you don't want them to say no, necrophilia is the way to go. O for orgasm, because when you're performing necrophilia, only one of you's actually orgasms. P for prick, because that's basically what I am. Q for queer, because, you know, if you're horny and there's only another guy in the room, you know what's going to happen. R for rectum, because you know what's going to happen, and it involves a rectum. Yes, it does. Slob. And these are the people who don't clean up themselves. G'day. S for slob. T for turd, because after you take it up the rectum, that's what's on that penis. Well, basically, that's what happens when you actually poo your pants. Got a big turd. U for urine, because some people just love golden showers. V for vagina, because that's where majority of people came from before they had, you know, they cut the stomach open. Can't remember what that is actually, because I have Alzheimer's. W for wanker. Some people just are wankers. Z for xenophobia, because xenophobia exists in all cultures. There's just some people who just don't like you because of your race. W and X, Y, G. I got carried away. So Y is for yobbo, because yobbo is a fuck you mate. Oh fuck you, gonna go get a goon bag and do some rectal queer stuff, and then we're gonna go and get some heroin. And Z for Zik, because fuck, I don't know what to come up with this word for this letter. Anyway, Z's the last of L. We could just say Oz. Oz, mate. Yeah, mate. And that's the end of the video.